Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to sort out everything for the low mount turbo. Stay tuned. Sorry about the background noise, guys. There's guys out the front of our place chopping down trees and mulching it, so there'll be a little bit of noise in the background for a little bit. And if after lunch they've gone, then I'll restart everything. But yeah, that's why it's so messy in here as well, guys. Just last night I was just sorting out all the fittings and everything, going up to keeping all the hoses and whatnot, and yeah, trying to get things ready for today so we can do everything to finalize the low mount, the TD05 down the bottom. So oil and water will be run today. So we'll be getting the exhaust back on. We'll be painting this as well. So stay tuned, guys. So first up, I need to change this. I need to shorten it because once I put a 90-degree bend on there, it's touching on the liner there, so we'll chop a little bit out of it. So probably a centimetre or so. So what I did last time is I put a fitting on here and just got it to about there, so it wasn't fouling on that bracket that I made. So I'll tighten that up so it's perfect, and then I'll show you. Alrighty, so it's tightened up. So about a centimetre I can take out of here. It's a 10mm. Alrighty guys, the guys out the front have actually finished, but now they're in their backyard, so they're like right there. I've just come back from lunch, so I've got to tack this up, fully weld it, put it back on and show you the difference. Then we'll clean up that part there, we'll paint that, set that off to the side. We got to put this plug in so I can run the water line to the turbo. It's a normal turbo one. There we go. I'll weld it up again. It's still hot, so we'll let that cool down. Put that off to the side somewhere, and we'll get this pipe up here and start getting the wire brush onto it. Get all that coating off it.
Two hours later.
Alrighty guys, so I just painted the up pipe. We have to wait for that to dry. So later tonight we'll get stuck into everything else for the TD05. Yes, I'm back. It's about 9 o'clock now, so this is nice and dry to the touch. Obviously I need to get all the tape off, and like I've said a few times, to get under the car first to put this in for the water. Alrighty guys, so we need to get this plug out. So on non-turbo, it's just a plug. On turbo, it'll have this. So we'll go there, and then it's got an oil warmer here. Or should I say oil cooler? But anyway, it's a H14 that'll get that out. So we've got a 1/2 inch. We'll get that out. I've already drained all the water, but we may have some more water come out of that. So I'll get the one of the oil pans and just have it under there just in case. So I got the plug out. As you could probably tell, it's quite a bit of water that came out. About 3 litres. Yeah, a bit of oil too. I'm not reusing it. Anyways, yeah, I'll put some thread tape on that and get that in. There we have, guys. I have it on. Took me ages, about half an hour to find the tape. Tape had actually fallen down the back here and was back under there. Looked through the whole garage. Like, I remember having it up there. Yep, down there. And then put the deep 24 out and lift it up. So that's where the water will be going back into the engine from the low mount. So now we can get the manifold back on. Alrighty, guys, I have the manifold on. So you can see it's wrapped to there. What I'm actually thinking of doing is probably even making a heat shield like the stock one, I guess. If you've got a Subaru, you probably know what it is, and it vibrates a lot and rattles, but I'll make a better one. And I'm still gonna do some heat treatment on this as well. But after putting that on, I want to go wash up because I'm going to get itchy, and then we'll continue on. Wardrobe change because I was getting itchy. Alright, so we have the manifold on. I don't need to go over there for a while. We'll be spending our time over here today. Give it a quick clean up, a little wipe down, and might even just chuck a hose onto that fitting that we just put in and just have it drain off so it's not dripping all over the manifold. I'll have to clean up later. Alrighty, guys, we have the up in and we have the exhaust gas temperature probe in there too, that sensor. So now we'll go down to the TD05. Alright, guys, so I've got the oil sump on, it's all sealed. We have obviously the turbo on, we've got the up pipe on, about to put this pipe on, and then the wastegates, should I say. Alrighty, guys, got the tile eBay special wastegate on. Took me a little while to get it all lined up properly and all the bolts done up nice and tight. Yeah, that's on. Need to put the other wastegate on, and then we'll look at oil feed. So I've got it just here, little feed line that I'll be using. I got this made up a little while ago, and that fitting there. It's actually, I'll show you where this. Oops, sorry. I'll show you where this fitting goes. You might know, you might not. I had to change over the banjos. I had the big one on it before, which is actually for the GT35. So it's on the GT35 now. Alright, guys, it's about 1:30 in the morning, so I'm going to call it for tonight. Pretty much got everything run, just need like hose clamps. So the oil feed is the only thing, actually goes down there. So we've got the water teed off here, runs down into there. We've got the water from here. I need a 6 AN to a barb. I've got one laying around somewhere, and it will go into that hose right there. mounted the other wastegate, and it's higher than that, just. So I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, I did steal the hose off this. It was a heater hose, so I used it for that water line there. So I need to order some more hose for the oil. So that'll come up to the scavenger here and then into the sump. Still haven't wired up the scavenger pump yet. But yeah. So once I button up everything for the TD05, I'll do everything for the GT35. So I've basically done the water, the oil. I just need to do the oil drain, which can be a bit annoying, you know, getting it on and off. Really the only thing I need to do is to get it off is to do the V-band and this bolt or this nut here, and obviously take it off at the exhaust there. I'll probably switch this reference. But I just I've replaced one of these bolts with a nipple that I had to get made up, because that actually goes into the compressor housing. So I can move it around to these three, I think. So I might put it on this one. That's going to have to go down to the purpley pink wastegate to give it reference for this bad boy. And it's got a T on it, or a Y for something. Boost gauge maybe? Probably the boost gauge. I like to run 2 boost gauges if you didn't know, so I know what GT35 is doing and I know what the absolute is as well. And with those 2 I can see roughly what the TD05 is making as well. Yep, I'm going to call it the night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully I've got enough stuff to button everything up for TD05. Something just went in my eye. Alrighty guys, it's the next day. I'm actually going to wrap this video up now. We're going to button up all the lines for the TD05 in the next video, and we're going to do the scavenger pump next video as well. So stay tuned for that. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye.